We're just east of the town of Manistique right now. We brought you out to Gulliver Lake, a great little lake, about an 800-acre lake. And what do you say we get the boat ready and get this thing started? This is a really nice place, nice facilities here, nice launch that goes out onto the lake. The lake's about, as I said, about 800 acres. It's got all kinds of different fish in it. There's smallmouth, there's pike, there's walleye, variety of panfish. It's great for the whole family to come out here. We're going out today, we're gonna give it a try. Just keep in mind, we're not a fishing show. We're not gonna teach you how to fish. We're just gonna show you some of the great lakes that you can fish when you come up here. And if I don't quit talking, we're never gonna get out there.
Gulliver Lake can be described as a pristine lake teeming with fish waiting to be caught. After preparing the boat for an easy launch into the lake, we went out to find a good school of fish. We were successful when ice fishing on this lake, so we're going to try our hand at catching some big bass, or maybe we'll land the monster northern pike we've been dreaming of. Historically, getting a bite here is good, but to quote an unknown author, a bad day of fishing is better than a good day of work. But wait, fishing is our work for this show. We're pretty fortunate to have the boat as our office on days like today. The view of the forested shores is inviting, and though not far from human habitation, Gulliver Lake offers a real UP remote fishing experience.